Welcome to this training module on U.S. staffing. If you're new to the recruitment industry or planning to work as a U.S. IT recruiter, this session will help you understand what U.S. staffing is. You will also learn who's involved in the process and how it all works. We'll also take a quick look at time zones, visa types, and recruitment models. What is U.S. staffing? U.S. staffing is the process of helping American companies hire skilled professionals through staffing agencies. In simple terms, it's about finding the right person for the right job at the right time. Recruiters coordinate with clients to fill open positions quickly. They also ensure that candidates meet both skill and legal requirements. This system connects businesses with qualified professionals. It keeps the hiring process smooth and efficient. Key participants in U.S. staffing. The U.S. staffing process involves several key participants. Client, the company with open job roles. Account or delivery manager, communicates with the client and passes job details to the recruitment team. Recruiter, sources, screens, and submits suitable candidates. Candidate, the professional applying for the role. VMS, vendor management system, a platform used to post jobs, track submissions, and manage vendors. Each role is interconnected. Teamwork between all these participants ensures successful and timely hiring. Types of recruitment models. U.S. staffing operates through three major recruitment models. IT recruitment focuses on hiring technology professionals like software developers, engineers, and analysts. Non-IT recruitment includes roles in finance, administration, sales, marketing, and customer support. Healthcare recruitment specializes in hiring medical professionals such as nurses, therapists, and physicians for hospitals and clinics. Each model requires recruiters to understand the industry and its specific hiring needs. Understanding U.S. time zones. When working in U.S. staffing, understanding time zones is crucial. The United States has four major time zones: Eastern, Central, Mountain, and Pacific. For example, when it's 9 a.m. in New York, Eastern Time, it's 6 a.m. in California, Pacific Time. Recruiters working from outside the U.S. must adjust their work hours accordingly. The U.S. also follows daylight saving time. During this period, clocks move forward in March and back in November. Keeping track of these changes ensures smooth coordination for interviews and client calls. Visa categories and work authorization. Understanding visa types is essential in U.S. staffing since every candidate must be legally eligible to work in the country. There are two main visa categories: immigrant and non-immigrant. Immigrant visas are for individuals who plan to live and work permanently in the U.S. This includes green card holders, who are lawful permanent residents. Non-immigrant visas are for temporary stays. The most common are H-1B, for specialized professionals in IT or engineering. L-1, for intracompany transfers. J-1, for trainees and exchange programs. Dependents of these visa holders may have H-4 or L-2 status. In some cases, they can work with an EAD, the Employment Authorization Document. The EAD also applies to students on OPT, optional practical training. Professionals from Canada or Mexico can work in the U.S. under the TN visa. This visa falls under the USMCA agreement. Why U.S. staffing matters? So, why does U.S. staffing matter? Because it connects global talent with opportunity. It helps companies fill critical roles faster. It also helps candidates grow their careers in one of the world's most competitive job markets. Recruiters play a vital role in this process. They're not just filling jobs, they're helping businesses grow and people succeed. By understanding these fundamentals, from how the process works, to recruitment models, time zones, and visa types, you'll be better prepared to perform effectively as a U.S. recruiter. U.S. staffing is fast-paced, challenging, and rewarding. With good communication, quick decision-making, and attention to detail, you can build a successful career in this dynamic field. Thank you for completing this training module on U.S. staffing. Stay tuned for our next session. In the next module, we'll walk through the end-to-end recruitment process, from receiving a requirement to onboarding a candidate. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the upcoming modules.